look at the rear view mirror.
The one over there. And you guys are on deck. Wait for them to get out. Wait. Make it up first. Hi everyone.
Hi.
Welcome to CyberTruck. Thank you. Alright, how's it going? Welcome. Thank you. I got it. Quick U-turn, everyone's got seatbelts on. Yeah. So I want to draw your attention over here just to the 17-inch landscape display.
Ooh, 17.
Oh, 17. Wow.
The backup camera, is that going to be on the production thing?
The rear view mirror, is that going to be on the...
Wow, it's all glass up top, huh?
Yeah, I think we thought that it would be a great idea to, when the tonneau's rolled up, since you can't see out of the back, this basically augments your vision so that you can see behind you. So it's almost like you're, you know, despite the fact that you're maybe blocked from behind.
How does the back roll up?
It's actually rolled up directly behind you.
Right there. Whoa, that's power. Whoa. Is this the tri-motor config?
This is the dual motor.
Dual motor. Oh, so the tri-motor will be even more
Yeah.
scary.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
It's a good turn radius.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
Go ahead. No low mode here. So we were just in the mode where we were basically soaking up all the bumps, but since we have air suspension and since we have adaptive dampers, we can cater the ride and handling to whatever you want. You can kind of hear the compressor going. It's because we're adjusting the air suspension on the fly. It adjusts on angles, adjusts on hills.
Which Tesla vehicle does it feel like they're closest to, or is it like completely
I would say it's most similar to a Model X.
Model X?
And is that steering wheel the steering wheel we're gonna see on?
I think we'll announce more details for what the production design exactly is. You know, from us, we only get better when we go to production.
Yeah.
Definitely. Yeah, like just went over that bump and you don't even feel that.
More safe driving soon. Cool. Hope you guys had fun.
Oh, it was really neat.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Thank you so
very
much.
Appreciate it.
All right, no
Thank
problem.
Don't worry, come check that.